P2505 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power input signal. P2505 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power input signal. This engine code indicates that this means the ECM or PCM is not receiving a consistent and sufficient power supply. Causes for this code can range from low battery voltage and faulty ECM/PCM to problems with the power input signal's wiring, such as open or shorted circuits, inadequate connections, or a faulty relay. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low battery voltage, wiring issues, poor electrical connections, faulty PCM or ECM, transmission sensor problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.